Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have essentials. Now begin. Open VS Code in your project folder and initialize npm. Install the MongoDB driver, npm install MongoDB or Mongoose if you prefer schemas. Once done, create a env file to store your MongoDB URI and user credentials. This keeps secrets out of source control. Make sure to add env to gitignore. Then open a new file, db.js, where you'll import .env and prepare the first connection function. Now implement the how and why in db.js load process. Env, Mongo URI so credentials stay separate, then create a Mongo client using options for stable topology. You write an async connect function that awaits client, connect, and returns client, db database name. This pattern prevents repeated connections and lets you reuse one pool. Once you export the function, create a small test file to call connect, list collections, log results, and close the client. This proves finish by wiring the exported DB into your routes or services so you reuse the single connection pool. That boosts performance and reduces timeouts. When deploying, make sure your environment variables are set on the host, and if using Atlas, whitelist the server IP or use the SRV URI for DNS. If something goes wrong, first check the URI and credentials, then network and firewall rules, and finally driver versions and error logs. Those steps find most connection faults fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.